Dang, stuff be breaking all the time. What's up, fam? How's everybody doing? Well, I'm back at the yard with the truck, and I've got a major problem with my air system. So I'm going to show you what's going on here in just a second. But I've got to replace a valve, and I should be up and running. So let me show you where this valve is. Okay, guys, this is probably going to be a little bit shaky, but just bear with me. Down here, you can see these lines right here. They go to this round thing right here. That is my brake chamber. If I follow that line, it goes up, 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 and it connects to right here, and it goes into this system. Now, these lines go to the passenger side brakes, and these over here go to the driver's side brakes. If we follow it on down, it goes down and on over to the brake, okay? But when I look at this thing right here in the middle, try to get some light on it. This thing right here in the middle, it's like the bottom has blown out of it, okay? So I took a picture earlier, but if we look, I'm gonna try to do it with my fingers here. Sorry for everything bouncing around. But if you follow my hand, this hole, I don't think should be there, because that's where all the air is coming out of this hole right here. It's all just blowing out of that hole right there. So I'm gonna have to replace this valve right here, it looks like. So that's gonna be my project for tomorrow. Well, what's going on, fam? It's Friday morning, the day after the valve went out. Went home, got some sleep, came right back. So I've got a few things that I've got to do before I take the valve off. I've got the new valve. It's right around here somewhere. But I'm going to need to use a hose doohickey and some purple power to clean up that part that's all dirty, because I can't get to it and I don't want to take any chances of any dirt or anything getting in the airline. So I'll try to take you guys along and we'll make it happen. Here we go. By the way, here's the new part right here. Pretty simple little part, so I'm just going to tackle it myself. Shouldn't take that long. So I went ahead and put the truck kind of over in the grass so that whatever the little bit of grease doesn't fall out here on the asphalt. So let's go make this happen. So as you see, I've evacuated the air tanks. I got all the air out the truck because I can't obviously work on the back with high pressure in the lines. Now I'm going to go ahead and take the old valve off, put the new valve on, and hopefully I should be up and running. Okay fam, I got this thing loose from the wall back there, but as you can see I got 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. I don't want to mix those lines up. So being the amateur that I am, I'm going to put this twist tie around the front ones just so I don't screw up. Can always take these off, but that way I know which one of these go on the front of this little bracket doohickey thingy and which ones go on the back. All right, so now I just got to break these free. Should be a 19 millimeter from the pressure washing days. Yep, nice and easy. Fam, I'm not sure how good this is going to come out, but I'm going to go ahead and videotape what I'm doing. I think this little part was in the front. This part right here, the shorter one, I think that was in the front, but they're coming off the same supply, so I don't think it'll matter, but I'm gonna make sure that I put everything back exactly how I took it out. No need me reinventing the wheel. All right, fam, so we're gonna try to put this thing back in now. Little bit of a difference though, because of the way the threads were on the new valve, what I had in the front will now go to the back. However, if you look at, I don't even know if you guys can see this, but if you look at this, air comes out of here and it's going to go to either one of these, so I don't really think it matters if it's mixed up or not, but just to be safe, I'm going to put it back exactly the way it came off. Well fam, I think I got it in. I got the lines all hooked up. Looks like everything should be, so I'm about to go crank the truck up and see what happens. Well fam, I'm completely pressured up and I got no air leaks. So I got lucky on this one. Looks like it's gonna work out. Now I get to clean up the mess I made. Crazy how a rookie has 500 tools out and a pro will only have one. So get it back together. I'll let you guys know.